Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Camtasia video editing software. And in this video, I will show you on how to simply label your tracks in the timeline in your Camtasia video editing software. Like for instance, I have about 3 different tracks right here: track 1, track 2, track 3. Let's say for instance, I want to label this track 1 with another color. So what we want to do is to right click on the track in the timeline, then go ahead and navigate to add color. So this one here, I can label with green color. Then I can select the track 2, right click on the track 2, add color label. I can decide to label this purple color. Then I can come to the track 3, right click on it, color label. I can decide to label this red right here, just like so. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Camtasia video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.